Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses at the description, so go get involved with that. Also, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month, returns passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below. I will get you hooked up with one of those. They've been absolutely amazing for me to be able to buy the dip in cryptocurrency over the past few years. Really been enjoying buying the dip on a load of these coins. So a little look at Verasity then. As we can see, we are continuing to head to the downside, trickling to the downside. Downside, constant downside, never ending downside. As Bitcoin continues to mess around and go sideways, obviously we know this by now. It's very obvious that when Bitcoin chops sideways in the market, altcoins get bled to death. And that's exactly what's been happening with Verasity. We haven't even seen our altcoin season this bull market really at all. And that includes not just Verasity, but pretty much every altcoin that we've been looking at. Any altcoin that I can name off the top of the head that we've been looking at on the channel would look the same. Polygon, for example, absolutely destroyed. VeChain getting down there now. Verasity is very oversold as well. You can see obviously we're starting to form this curved bottom like this, but these things take time, you know, these things don't happen overnight. This isn't just going to turn around and do 100x in one day. It's obviously possible, but it's very unlikely to be the case. What's more likely going to happen is we're going to have this slow decrease in volume to the downside, which is what we're starting to see. You can see this curved bottom starting to come in here like this, where we have an impulse, a smaller impulse, a smaller impulse, a smaller impulse, and then we eventually start to bottom out and reverse like this. And that's what we're going to be having, I think. It's not going to be anything crazy. Obviously, last time we saw a nice bounce for Verasity at the start of 2023. You can see here this really nice rip off of the bear market low. And right now we're back down at that bear market low again here, at the bottom of the range of the bear market, really waiting for that bounce. I've got a long position ready at this level here, aiming for the top of the bear market range, and I've got my long-term bags for the long term. Overall, this chart looks fine to me. It's just going to take some time, isn't it? We've got to be patient.